Welcome everyone. This is a fourth example working with the chain rule, and here we're going to work with another exponential function. We have 3 raised to the x times x to the third minus 2x. So let's first consider what our inner and outer function or the operations are here. This exponent, when we're working with an exponential, we can consider as our kind of outer operation, and our inner operation is simply just the exponential itself. So let's consider both the inner and the outer derivative first. So we're going to have a y prime function here. Now, if I consider the exponential derivative just 3 to the x for a moment, just as some side work, just let's recall if I'm taking an exponential base b, what this normal derivative would look like. This would look like a 3 to the x power, and then I'd want to multiply by the natural log of the base. So this is going to be looking very similar to what this outer derivative needs to be. And so let's write that in blue. We're going to have now not 3 to the x ln 3. We're going to want to have 3 raised to this new power, and again, natural log of 3. So we'll have 3 raised to my inner stuff, just like that, times the natural log of 3. So that's the way I take a normal exponential base b. So in other words, this is what we would call the f prime evaluated at g of x. That's our outer derivative. We want to follow this up by multiplying by the g prime of x, or the inner derivative. So the inner derivative here, we want to take that exponent and, again, take its derivative. So the exponent's derivative here will become, looks like 18 x squared. So we're taking the derivative of this exponent, and minus 2 for our last term. So we have the outer derivative f prime evaluated at g of x, and then the inner derivative g prime of x, which is the 18x squared minus 2. This as a product altogether is the y prime. So we can finish that off. This is our final solution. So I hope this is helpful with working with exponential functions and the chain rule. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.